To turn on your Model Y while inside, simply press the brake pedal. This will wake the vehicle from its sleep or off mode. This activates the 17-inch touchscreen, bringing the vehicle to life. If your phone is set up as a key, or if you have your key card with you, the car will automatically authenticate you and be ready to drive. This keyless system uses proximity sensors and Bluetooth for authorized access, eliminating the need for a physical key in most cases. A soft reboot restarts the Model Y's infotainment system without affecting the car's driving functions. This is useful for resolving glitches in apps or navigation. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for about 5 seconds. A reboot option will appear on the touchscreen. Select it. This preserves vehicle settings and won't interrupt charging or autopilot. Full power off completely shuts down the Model Y, disconnecting the battery and requiring reactivation. To perform a full power off, press and hold the scroll wheel on the center touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the power off menu appears, then confirm. This is similar to a hard reset and is recommended for software updates or troubleshooting. However, avoid doing this while driving, as it can trigger emergency braking. Soft reboot is ideal for minor software issues like frozen apps or an unresponsive touchscreen. It's quicker and less disruptive than a full power off. The soft reboot doesn't interrupt driving functions, making it safe while moving. Use full power off for major issues like preparing for software updates or troubleshooting persistent problems. Remember, a full power off requires the car to be stationary for safety. Choose the right method based on the issue severity to minimize disruption. Newer Model Ys from late 2025 may include optional biometric authentication through fingerprint or facial recognition. This feature adds an extra layer of security when powering on your vehicle. Once enabled, the system will require biometric confirmation before allowing you to drive. This reduces reliance on phone keys alone for authentication. For fingerprint authentication, use the integrated scanner on the vehicle. Facial recognition can also be used for secure access. For setup instructions, refer to your Model Y's manual. The Tesla app provides remote access to your Model Y's power controls. Through the app interface, you can manage various vehicle functions from your phone, including power management options. You can remotely power off your Model Y through the app, particularly useful during security alerts detected by Sentry mode. This feature helps protect your vehicle when unauthorized activity is sensed. When Sentry mode activates due to a potential security threat, the app can trigger a remote power off to secure the vehicle. This prevents unauthorized access and protects your Model Y. After a remote power off, turning the Model Y back on requires pressing the brake pedal while inside the vehicle. This security measure ensures only authorized users with physical access can restart the car. This remote power management integration through the Tesla app offers both convenience for daily use and enhanced security features to protect your vehicle. Future Model Y updates will include AI-driven automation for power management, making the vehicle smarter about when and how to power on or off. Vehicle-to-vehicle communication may enable automatic power on when your Model Y approaches another Tesla, creating a seamless driving experience. Tesla is exploring ultra-sleep modes that trickle charge accessories without full wake-up, extending battery life during idle periods. Integration with smart home ecosystems will allow voice-activated power controls through devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The trend is towards seamless, automated power management, improving user convenience and energy efficiency.